Prompt engineering tips. When crafting prompts, be specific and clear about the desired outcome, ensuring all necessary details are included. Use open-ended questions to encourage detailed responses and avoid yes/no answers. Tailor the language and tone to your target audience for better engagement. Lastly, experiment with variations to refine and optimize the effectiveness of your prompts.
Intro to prompt engineering. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll delve into the concept of prompt engineering. You might have come across this term in relation to AI tools. We're here to explain what it means and share some useful tips to help you craft effective prompts. Don't worry, it's quite straightforward, and we'll guide you through each step. To start, a prompt is essentially a question or a set of instructions that you provide to AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard. Prompt engineering involves creating prompts that yield the most accurate and useful responses. For instance, consider this prompt. Can you please explain how the offset function works in Excel? The AI's response will vary, but the idea is to receive a clear explanation. Both ChatGPT and Google Bard function similarly in this regard. The key takeaway here is understanding the relationship between a prompt and a response. Our tips for writing excellent prompts include being as clear and specific as possible, providing context and examples if you can, defining roles for specific scenarios, setting the desired tone or complexity level, and being aware of the model's limitations. We'll walk you through these tips, demonstrate a prompt, and show how adding more context can improve it. Our pro tip: don't stress about perfecting your prompt on the first try. These AI tools are fast, allowing for easy refinement and iteration. Aim to write a good prompt, but don't spend too much time worrying about its perfection. Dive in and see what responses you get. Prompt tip: be clear and specific. In this video, we'll explore our first tip for prompt engineering to enhance the results from your AI tools. Be clear and specific. Specificity in your prompts significantly improves the quality of the AI's responses. Let's look at an example. Suppose we need to calculate year-over-year growth in Excel. Initially, the AI's response is helpful but could be more precise. By refining our prompt to specify that we need an Excel formula and detailing that our data is in cells C2 through C100 and B2 through B100, the response becomes much clearer. Now, the AI provides an exact Excel formula along with a helpful explanation. Remember, when crafting prompts, clarity and specificity are crucial. If you're generating code, include details such as variable names, data types, and cell ranges. This level of detail will greatly improve the AI's output. Prompt tip: provide context. In this video, we're sharing another valuable tip for prompt engineering to enhance your results from AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Bard. The key is to provide ample context to help the AI deliver precisely what you need to address your issue. Let's look at an example. Initially, we might use a prompt like, "What are common supply chain KPIs?" This works, but notice the improvement when we add more context. I'm a data analyst working on supply chain analytics for a multinational distribution company. What KPIs should I be analyzing? For each metric, please include a formula showing how it's calculated. Additionally, providing an example of the desired output can further refine the response. As an analyst new to this field, the detailed and targeted output you receive is incredibly useful, offering a perfect starting point for deeper exploration. So, when using these AI tools, always include all relevant context to ensure the AI generates the most accurate and helpful results. Prompt tip: establish roles. In this video, we'll share our next tip for improving your results with AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Bard: assigning roles. This involves designating a role for the AI tool and a role for yourself as the information recipient. For instance, if you ask, "What's the best way to clean data?" ChatGPT might provide a basic response. However, by specifying roles, such as you being a new data analyst at a retail company and the AI acting as a data QA engineer, the AI can deliver a more tailored and detailed step-by-step plan. Defining these roles helps the AI better understand the context and audience, significantly enhancing the quality of its responses. Prompt tip: set the tone. In this video, we'll share another valuable tip for prompt engineering to help you get better results from AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Bard. Today, we'll focus on the importance of setting the right tone, which can significantly influence the responses you receive. For example, simply asking an AI to explain regression analysis isn't enough. Are you explaining it to a technical expert or a young child? Providing detailed context about the desired tone and complexity helps the AI deliver more accurate and tailored responses. In the improved prompt example, we specify, explain regression analysis in 2 sentences to a C-level executive at a marketing agency. This instruction leads to a concise, non-technical summary suited for that audience. Our pro tip: always include a directive in your prompt, such as, explain it as if you are talking to a child, or explain it to a non-technical person. This approach allows you to control the tone and complexity of the response, ensuring it aligns with your audience's needs. Remember, being specific about the tone can greatly enhance the relevance and clarity of the AI's output, making it more effective for your particular use case.
Thanks for joining our video. Would you be interested to know more? Please contact us to www.iCertGlobal.com or email to info@iCertGlobal.org.